Being smart with the way we water our gardens has never been more important. With many parts of the country experiencing shocking drought conditions, conserving our most precious resource is critical. Some good water-wise gardening tips include choosing the right plants for your soil type and environment, soil improvement works to create a better soil, mulching, and using wetting agents. Then, of course, efficient watering practices. Don't waste it. During the warmer months, to avoid water loss through evaporation, early morning and evening are the best times to water. For tougher, more drought-tolerant plants and lawns, once your garden is established, aim for less frequent, deep watering. This will encourage deeper, stronger roots. Hand watering with the hose can be therapeutic, but a lot of us just don't have the time, so the watering either gets rushed or missed. And this is where an automatic tap timer is so good. Plus, if you go away for a few days or even a few weeks, the garden still gets watered. It's like magic. The Holman BTX is simple to set up and use and connects to the iGardener app for scheduling and complete flexibility with when, where and how you water. You can switch back to manual watering from your phone at any time. Handy for when you want to wash the car, clean the windows or do other hosing jobs. There are also multi-zone controllers that are perfect for different garden areas with different watering requirements and, of course, lawns. You can see the full range of BTX and WaterWiz controllers on the Holman website or in Bunnings stores.